friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm Ruth, I'm a blogger from Manila, Philippines, and today I will be sharing my review and my experience using the new Lenovo Yoga C740. So if you find that interesting, please do subscribe and let's go! Let's go with the first impressions first. Alright, so I have here my new Lenovo Yoga C740. I love that it is of the same tone and color as that of my previous Lenovo Yoga 900. And as you can see, this one looks super sleek. It has a smooth finish and it's also very lightweight, compact, and portable, so you can use this for your travel or for working remotely. But of course, since we're on lockdown, sa bahay muna tayo. So this is how it looks like. So we have the hinge here. So on this side we have the power button, and then this one is a USB port, and then on the other side we have here one USB Type A port for the power, and then we also have another one here, and then the audio jack. Alright, so once we open our Lenovo Yoga C740, we will be welcomed with the keyboard pad. Yun ba yung tawag doon? I don't know, but yes, it looks very sleek. And then, of course, we have the same color nung cover niya, which is super pretty, and it looks so nice in photos and even in actual. So we have here the armrest for typing, and then we have here the touchpad for your mouse or cursor control. You can use that for the left and right click, which has a very nice sensitivity. I'm gonna show you guys. Yes, and then of course we have here the keyboard. So I do a lot of typing and blogging, so I already use this laptop to create a content, to create a blog, and it works perfectly fine with a nice bounce. Ang cute pa nung sound niya. Also has backlight. So this one is very helpful if you guys would be working in a low light environment. I don't think nakikita niyo siya ngayon because maliwanag. But yes, nan siya. So let's turn it off and conserve energy. We have speakers on both sides of the keyboard. So, sobrang malakas siya for listening music, or if you're taking up online course, hindi mo na kailangan mag-add ng additional speaker or to connect a Bluetooth speaker para marinig yung audio. So, we can test that later. But for now, we can talk about of course, the Fingerprint Scanner. So, this one is a new feature na wala dun sa previous laptop ko. And I honestly love this new feature because it saves me like 2 to 3 seconds. I mean, no. It only takes around 2 to 3 seconds to log into the laptop. So, of course, time is essential. So, let's try that. Here. There you go. Welcome. So, welcome to my desktop. So the display is actually very vibrant and very lively. Sobrang buhay nung colors niya. Okay, so of course, I want to promote my Instagram. So yeah, nauna yung Instagram post before the vlog review, but that's okay. So yeah, so as you can see guys, very vibrant nung color na pinuproduce nung display, which is really nice. I mean, I tried watching Friends Netflix friends. So, iba yung dating niya. Very lively, very nice, and parang cheery yung dating. But, I think my concern here is that sa sobrang vibrant niya, parang iba yung dating ng color for me, especially when I'm editing videos. But of course, that's a minimal concern and concern of a content creator. But if you're just someone who needs a laptop for your online class or for the usual operations lang, like creating document or entertainment, watching Netflix, I think this one is a really good decision to buy. Alright? So, I also want to talk about the screen. Yes, the screen is touch screen, which is very convenient for me because since I had my first yoga laptop, which was in 2014, I think. Yes, so touch screen na siya. So, it's very helpful for me na hindi na masyado mag-adjust sa mga features ng laptop. And, paano ko ba ginagamit yung touch screen? So, usually, ayan, if I want to zoom in to see more details of the photo, especially since medyo may challenges or medyo malabo yung mata ko, especially if pagod na siya, may eye strain. So, yes, I do pinch and zoom. And then, of course, it's easier for me to sign documents, PDF documents, especially we receive a lot of contracts or MOA, so it's easier for me to sign documents. Ito pala yung dati ko, guys. Just want to show quickly. Alright, so that is just to quickly show you Kurt Cobain. And of course, that's the soundtrack for Batman. I'm so excited. Anyway, guys, so yeah, so just to quickly demonstrate how loud the speakers are, I use this for my live stream, especially when we're doing raffles or games, or if I have spelling bee contests or games in my live stream, and it's very loud and clear. So yes. Alright, now next feature. Alright, now let's talk about one of my favorite features of the new Lenovo Yoga C740, which is the web camera privacy shutter. So remove this sticker, and then, alright, so there's a slider here which you just need to slide to turn on and off your web camera. So, hindi siya masyadong visible actually. So, hindi siya naka-abala dun sa design ng laptop. So, it's really nice. Of course, we don't want to have our web camera spying on us. Of course, at least we don't need to put a sticker on our web camera. Okay, one of the reasons why I love the Yoga series of Lenovo is that I can use it in different ways or different modes. Aside from the laptop mode, I can also use the Lenovo Yoga C740 depending on your needs or situation or kung ano man yung, kung nasan ka man. Okay? So, I'm gonna show you guys how I can bend or yeah, parang yoga, diba? So, this one is very flexible. So, from the laptop mode, which is the traditional mode that we use whenever we create content online or we create presentations or just simply surf or, I don't know, consume content online. So, this is the traditional mode. So, aside from that, you can also bend. And transformed it into the tent mode. So I usually use this mode whenever I'm flying or pag nasa airplane. Kasi diba, sa airplane, very limited lang yung space dun sa tray. Especially if you're flying economy. So, maliit lang yung space. So, if you want to watch movies or mga series na dinownload mo sa laptop mo, this one is very convenient. So, you don't, hindi mo na kailangan ng space for the keyboard and then the screen. Sobrang malayo. You just transformed it into the tent mode. So, maliit lang yung space niya. And then, of course, you can also do the stand mode. So this one, you can use this mode, say if you're working in a kitchen and you're browsing recipes. So, mas malapit sa yung screen. And then you have this space for your working area. Alright? And then, of course, you can also use the Lenovo Yoga C740 as a tablet. So, ganyan siya. See, it automatically adjusts. And yeah, so this one is perfect for creating digital art or probably just using it as a an ebook when you're reading documents or mga ebook. Before ganito ginagamit ko yung yoga, yung unang yoga ko, ginagamit ko siya na ganito to read magazines naman. So, there you go. Let's put it back to the laptop mode. Okay, so now I want to quickly show you how the touch screen works. So, nung nagkaroon ko ng first na laptop, I guess it's the Yoga White. I forgot. Nakalimutan ko na ako ng model siya. But, I got used to owning a touch screen laptop. It's very helpful for me, especially if I want to check out digital art, say, or anything, kahit picture. Say, this one. So, I just need to, pinch and zoom. It's very convenient and it's very easy for me to sign documents. Show you quickly how it works. So, ayan. Actually, I'm showing you guys na kung ano yung feel. So, yep. This one. So, I'm just using pink. So, okay. So, pwede rin siya. So, for artists, digital artists, you can buy a stylus. And then, ayan. I'm not good at drawing, but there. Love. This one. Hello. There you go. Alright, so let's do a quick summary of the new Lenovo Yoga C740. Personally, I think this is a very good laptop, especially if it's your first laptop. So, of course, you wanted something sleek, something light and portable, so you can use it outside your home or even when traveling. The battery can last for up to 13 hours. And you can do a lot of things with this laptop. You can create documents, watch movies, consume content, and even create art or edit videos. I tried editing a video and it worked perfectly fine. It rendered fast. So I would say that this laptop has a very good computing system. Okay, so that concludes my review and vlog about the new Lenovo Yoga C740. C740. I hope you guys like it. Of course, I want to share my experience and practical ways I really use my laptop or the product. So if you guys like this video, please do comment below so I would know, and I hope you guys can also subscribe because I'm planning to release more videos like this. And then of course, if you guys want to read more about the Lenovo Yoga C740, you can also check out my blog. Nakaka-confuse na pala. Blog, rootdelacruz.com. And then you can also follow me on social media at rootdelicious. You guys can also tune into my live stream at the Shopee app every 1 p.m. except Thursday and Sunday. So I hope to see you again guys on my next vlog. So for now,